Hyundai Motor Group Metaplant America has reached another major milestone as production of the Kia Sportage Hybrid officially begins in Georgia. The launch is significant for several reasons. It is the first Kia vehicle to roll off the assembly lines at the advanced manufacturing facility, the first hybrid electric vehicle built there, and the third model added to the plant's growing production portfolio. The start of Sportage Hybrid production highlights the flexibility that Hyundai Motor Group built into the facility from the beginning. The plant was designed to handle multiple powertrain types under one roof, allowing electric vehicles, hybrid vehicles, and future models to be produced efficiently with minimal changes to the manufacturing process. In fact, the facility has the capability to build up to 10 different vehicle models. The Kia Sportage Hybrid now joins the Hyundai IONIQ 5 and Hyundai IONIQ 9 in the Georgia-built lineup. Together, these vehicles showcase Hyundai Motor Group's broad approach to electrification and advanced mobility solutions. Rather than focusing on a single technology, the company continues to expand its range of electric and hybrid offerings to meet growing customer demand. State leaders and company executives gathered to celebrate the occasion. Georgia Governor Brian Kemp praised the partnership between Hyundai Motor Group, Kia, local communities, and Georgia workers. He emphasized the positive impact these investments continue to have on job creation and economic growth throughout the state. Kia executives also highlighted the importance of the new production milestone. The company sees the Savannah Metaplant as a key part of its long-term growth strategy in the United States. With consumer demand for hybrid vehicles continuing to rise, local production of the Sportage Hybrid will help Kia supply more vehicles to American customers while supporting its broader electrification goals. For the team at Hyundai Motor Group Metaplant America, the launch represents months of preparation and training. Approximately 200 Metapros participated in the celebration after completing extensive preparation for the hybrid model. Many employees traveled to Kia facilities in West Point, Georgia, and South Korea to learn manufacturing techniques and quality standards specific to the Sportage Hybrid. The event itself showcased the plant's advanced technology. The first Kia Sportage Hybrid produced at the facility was transported to the stage on an autonomous mobile robot, demonstrating the automation and innovation integrated throughout the manufacturing process. Governor Kemp even rode in the vehicle during its presentation, creating a memorable moment for employees and guests. The addition of the Sportage Hybrid further strengthens Kia's manufacturing presence in Georgia. Kia's West Point facility already produces the Telluride, EV9, EV6, and gasoline-powered Sportage and Sorento models. With hybrid Sportage production now underway at the Metaplant, Kia expands its ability to meet demand while increasing domestic production capacity. Combined, Kia's Georgia facilities now have the capacity to produce up to 550,000 vehicles annually. More importantly, they support thousands of jobs across the state and continue to attract investment into the region. Looking ahead, the Sportage Hybrid is expected to remain one of Kia's most important models. The latest version features a turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder hybrid powertrain, producing approximately 231 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque. Power is delivered through a 6-speed automatic transmission, with both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations available. Fuel economy is expected to remain among the best in its segment, making the Sportage Hybrid an attractive choice for drivers seeking efficiency without sacrificing practicality or performance. While Kia is not yet discussing future products for the Metaplant, the successful launch of the Sportage Hybrid demonstrates that the facility is ready to play a major role in the company's future growth plans in North America.